Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Kajabi. Whether you're migrating from another platform or simply adding your email list, this process will help you get all your contacts into Kajabi quickly and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to kajabi.com. This is where you'll access your Kajabi dashboard. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials to sign into your account. If you're new to Kajabi and don't have an account yet, simply click on Get Started instead to create one. This will walk you through the account setup process before you can proceed with importing your contacts. After logging in, you'll land on your Kajabi dashboard. Now direct your attention to the left navigation panel where you'll find various menu options for managing your business. Click on Contacts. This will trigger a drop-down menu to appear showing you different contact management options. From this menu, select All Contacts and click on it. This section is your central hub for viewing and managing everyone in your database. You'll now be directed to the Contacts page, where you can see your existing contacts and access tools to add new ones. Here you'll notice two key options available at the top of the page. You can either add contacts individually or import them in bulk. For our purposes today, click on the Import Contacts button. This is the fastest way to bring in multiple contacts at once, saving you time and effort. Once you're on the Import Contacts page, Kajabi gives you two methods to upload your contact information. You can either upload a CSV file directly from your computer or copy and paste raw data if you have it in a spreadsheet format. For this tutorial, we'll use the Upload File option since it's the most common method. Click on the Upload File radio button to select it, then click Upload. A file browser window will now open on your computer. Navigate through your folders to locate the CSV file that contains all the contacts you want to import into Kajabi. Select the file and confirm your choice. Kajabi will then process the file and match the columns in your CSV to the appropriate contact fields in your database. Make sure your CSV file is properly formatted with columns for things like name, email address, and any other relevant information you want to include. And that's it. Your contacts are now being imported into Kajabi, making them available for your email campaigns, course enrollments, and other marketing activities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.